So people want to know the best way to get discounts on pressure cleaning, roof cleaning, and all that stuff like that. Number one rule is if you stick with the same company like myself, as long as you maintain it in an orderly fashion, you can get near 30%, maybe even more, depending on the services. When you combine services, you can get a lot of discounts. But if you start over and you take a long time, say a roof cleaning needs to be every 2 or 3 years, and you go 5, then there's a problem, because you have to work a lot more and you have to clean a lot more chemical, a lot more gas, a lot more work, so the price goes up. So if you maintain, that's the secret. You basically will get decent amount of discounts. So and if you go with another company and then come back to us, and that's with every company, that's not how that works. You actually get charged a starter fee all over again. And a lot of these companies might give you like a discount up front, but then they realize that they're not making any money, and then they basically charge you, or they don't call you back, or they don't show up the second time or so, whatever. So, but that's how we work. We charge the regular fee up front, like a professional company, and then after that, as long as you maintain, you get special discounts and special privileges. You get maybe a patio cleaning for free, maybe a lanai cleaning for free, or maybe a driveway cleaning for free. Like this month, we got driveway cleanings for free. So you do a roof cleaning and you get a 4-car driveway cleaning free. So, and if you have like a larger driveway, you literally get like almost 80% off. So why don't you give us a call? 561-971-0235. All right, call today. Let's get her done.